Hi, Bob Coates here, and I'm looking forward to coming to Massachusetts to share ideas on business and creativity. When I first put this personal projects program together, it was a 90-minute presentation and showed some of my thoughts and examples of why and how to do personal projects. I got a call from Tennessee PPA. They had a request to make this a 3-hour program. And without thinking about it, I went, sure, no problem. Oh, and then I thought about it a little bit after I hung up the phone, and I started to sweat. I was thinking, what could I possibly share that would last 3 hours and keep people interested? Since I'd already made the commitment, I set about to expanding the program. As I looked and added materials and went in more in depth to the subject, and the results that I was getting from the pursuit of personal projects, I found out that I've been using personal projects almost exclusively to build and promote my business. And I gotta tell you, it works. Strangely enough, as I worked on the talk and got more information, and I ran into the reverse problem of how am I going to fit all of this into 3 hours? From every personal project that I do, I receive 1 to 6 things. 1, a new skill, which is what we're looking for. 2, cash money. 3, a new client, which is also cash money. 4, an image for PPA image competition, which I'm a big fan of, by the way. 5, food. And 6, marketing material for press releases. Sometimes it's just 1, sometimes it's a few, sometimes it's all. I'll also be sharing how a personal project raised over $15,000 for a local charity, and how another personal project led to over $25,000 in great meals and entertainment, along with a lot of wine for me and my wife, over the last 6 years. In addition to the money that I was paid for the job photographing the advertising and marketing images for this restaurant. Because we have a full day together, I'll also show the use of the results of doing one of my personal projects, which I call photosynthesis. It's a way of processing my work to go beyond photography into a more painterly look. The photosynthesis techniques can be used to spice up your everyday commercial or people photography business, and that's by offering an additional line of imagery. This helps set you apart from your competition. It's a weird thing, and not many people will necessarily take you up on the new look, but just because you have it and others don't, they'll pick you for the job, seeing that you have a larger skill set. Make sure that you block off September 24th on your calendar for this personal projects presentation, or better yet, go right now to the site and register. Find the information right here. For PPAM members, it's free. For $79, PPA affiliate members can attend, and $99 for non-members. I look forward to seeing you at the Holiday Inn in Mansfield on September the 24th. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.
I attended Bob Coates' personal projects program last night, and it was absolutely amazing. I've been going to seminars since God Created Light, and it was one of the best ones I've seen in recent past. It was just absolutely great.
I saw Bob's program last night, and I thought it was absolutely amazing. Something I've found about photographers, or any expert for that matter, is there are a lot of people that know their information, but very few people can communicate it effectively. The thing that I couldn't get over was according to the schedule, a fairly long program, and it went in a finger snap.
Having been in the audience, believe me, it did not seem like a 3-hour program. It was so full of information, and he planted so many seeds in so many photographers.
And I just watched Bob Coates last night with his awesome presentation, and we had a great time. It was a lot of fun, very entertaining.
The thing that I appreciated more than anything else was that he had a rhythm to his presentation where he would repeat patterns, but each time he would go back to a repeat pattern, his examples were deeper and detailed and offered new opportunities for what he had already just discussed.
I really enjoyed it. This is the 3rd one I've seen of Bob Coates, and we just can't have him back here enough to do a presentation for us.